all, welcome to session level of the chapter Intelligence. Extremes in Intelligence, Giftedness. Learning objectives. What is giftedness? Does being intellectually gifted guarantee success in life? Session outcome. Understanding what is giftedness. Second, understanding that gifted people do lead a normal life. Third, understanding that giftedness not always guarantee success in life. Another group of people, the intellectually gifted, differ from those with average intelligence as much as individuals with mental retardation, although in a different manner. Accounting for 2 to 4% of the population, the intellectually gifted have IQ scores greater than 130. Although the stereotypes associated with the gifted suggest that they are awkward, shy, social misfits who are unable to get along well with peers, most research indicates that just the opposite is true. The intellectually gifted are most often outgoing, well-adjusted, healthy, popular people who are able to do most things better than the average person can. Study by psychologist Lewis Terman on gifted children has revealed that the members of this group were more physically, academically and socially capable than their non-gifted peers. In addition to doing better in school, they also showed better social adjustment than average. The study also showed that they reported greater satisfaction in life than the non-gifted. Of course, not every member of the group Terman studied was successful. Furthermore, high intelligence is not a homogeneous quality, a person with a high overall. IQ is not only necessarily gifted in every academic subject but may excel in just one or two. A high IQ is not a universal guarantee of success. Session summary. Intellectual giftedness is an intellectual ability significantly higher than average. It is a characteristic of children variously defined that motivates differences in school programming. It is thought to persist as a trait into adult life with various consequences studied in longitudinal studies of giftedness over the last century. There is no generally agreed definition of giftedness for either children or adults, but most school placement decisions and most longitudinal studies over the course of individual lives have followed people with IQs in the top 2.5% of the population, that is IQs above 130. Definitions of giftedness also vary across cultures. Gifted individuals do well and get adjusted in life.